Rusty Gold. I'm the service manager at Ganley Chevrolet in Brook Park, Ohio. Been here for a little over a year. I've been in the service business. I started as a cleanup person back in '77 and worked at a dealership for 30 years until they closed, and worked my way up to be a service manager, and that's what I've done the last 15 years. My biggest thing was getting our customers that have been chased away back. When I started here, the scheduling, they were telling customers we were 2 to 3 weeks out to get you in for an appointment. And obviously that does not fly. You need to be able to get someone in here a day and a half, 2 days maximum, or you're gonna lose it to the competition. So I needed to get our old customers that were coming here and maybe got chased away by a bad experience. I needed to get another shot at those people and show them that we are different now. In my eyes, the biggest thing are the new VINs. I love that they're bringing in new people that have never been here before. We've got people that are lost people and haven't been here for a while and got chased away for whatever reason. GM has a program that chases those people, but they don't chase new VINs. And I love the fact that there's a guy probably at the street right next door that is now coming here that maybe never did, ever. To me, that's how you reach out and really build your business in a hurry. But we can see that we are growing, getting some people that haven't been here in a while back. My retention is starting to climb, which is all because MarketPro is reaching out and getting those people back in here.